this dance is called Hot Like Pepper. 32 count, 4 waltz. It's an easy intermediate line dance. There is no tag and no restart. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Step your right forward and kick left. Step forward, kick, do a back coaster with your left. Back together, forward. Do a cross shuffle with a quarter turn to your right. Cross, side, cross. Another shuffle, quarter turn to my left, facing 12 o'clock. Forward, together, forward. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Step right forward, make a pivot, quarter turn to your left. Step, pivot, quarter turn, pivot, cross. Hinge turn to your right. Quarter, quarter, hold for 1 count, and ball step. Ball step, step your right to the side and recover. So section 2 with a count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, 8. Section 3, 2 samba step. Cross, side, recover. Cross, side, recover. Cross, recover, back shuffle. Back, together, back. Section 3, samba step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Rock back a quarter turn with your left. Rock left, recover, quarter turn to your right with a chassé. Side together, side. And do a right quarter turn behind quarter and do 2 pedal quarter turn to the left. Pedal turn, pedal turn. Okay? So now, last section with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the end of the dance. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7,